inspire them alike.
As we bid goodbye to the first year of preschool, we would like to dedicate this milestone to the most important persons in their lives, their parents and families. We thank you for your support and guidance. Above all, we would like to thank God for giving us these different opportunities to learn and understand new things.